Morning all, how you're doing? Hope you're all well. One of the things you quickly realise when you're living in a van is that if you don't do the washing up the night before, you have to do it the morning after, which means we ain't having breakfast until we wash some pots up.
I've only got the breakfast pots from yesterday morning, so not too much, so it shouldn't take me too long. Teamwork makes the dream work.
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready?
So I've had the joyful job of drying up. What do you prefer to do, washing or drying?
So we have a couple of parcels that arrived today. Mine was not as interesting as Liam, so I'm going to open mine first. Liam's got a nice big one down there that he's going to open in a second. So I'm going to quickly open this up and I'll show you what I bought.
I always have a nice big one, yeah.
You wish. Comes in the bag. Right, so I bought myself a new hairbrush because my hairbrush that I've got at the minute I've had for about 5 years, and I was brushing my hair the other day and I felt it crack and I couldn't see anything, and then Liam looked at it and it was a massive crack like here, so the handle was going to fall off very soon, so I decided to treat myself to a hairbrush. It's bamboo, so it's like sustainable and all that, cause I'm trying to actually be a bit more mindful about what I'm actually buying and then being sustainable. So just bought this, not tried it out yet, but hoping it'd be good. So I bought this one from Etsy again. I've actually been looking on there for a couple of things, and I've got a couple of things on my wish list that I might buy soon. So I bought this one from Etsy. I'll leave a link in the description below. So I didn't actually open the full bag, I just pulled it out the side, and I've just looked in the bag and I've got a little present. Liam's not seen what it is yet, but I have. You're going to be really jealous about this. I have a toothbrush. At least you need a new toothbrush as well. I'm
You get
guessing
a free
this is...
toothbrush with it?
Yeah, so I'm guessing it's... Well, you're so jealous, aren't you? So I've got a rainbow toothbrush.
I was looking at a bamboo toothbrush as well.
I've been looking at bamboo toothbrushes, so now I can actually try one out. So I thought I'd quickly just test out the brush, so I'm going to quickly just brush my hair. I'm not going to take it out, I'm just going to brush it in the bubble. It shouldn't be too knotted at the minute, because I did brush it a couple of hours ago and this morning, so we'll see. Because my hair does get a little bit knotty at times. But yeah, it seems to be doing alright at the minute. Yeah, I've got really long hair. Hopefully my hair's not too long when I'm in the van. That's what one thing I'm a bit worried about, is actually like washing my hair and looking after my hair when I'm in the van. Because at the minute, because we're at my mum's, we've just been using the shower and stuff, so it's still like easy. Where on the road I plan on just using like a bucket of water really. It should be fine. I'm guessing there's other people out there who've got long hair like me. Hopefully it's not too hard to look after my hair when I'm on the road, as I don't really want it any shorter than this really. I do like my hair a bit longer, and to be fair, because it's longer it actually holds it down a bit, so it doesn't actually go frizz or anything. So literally at the minute I just wash my hair and let it dry, and it literally near enough dries straight. I don't have to really use any heat products or anything on like that, so that's one benefit of having long hair really. So my hair wasn't fully knotty when I started actually brushing it, but it seems to be doing a good enough job. But we'll see about it in the morning when my hair's a little bit knotty from just sleeping on it. It genuinely feels like it's Christmas Day at the minute.
Yeah, we've been getting a lot more parcels the last like week or so.
We've also been spending a bit more money.
Yeah, quarantine's not doing as well. Quarantine?
Lockdown?
Lockdown's not doing us very well at all, is it? So this parcel should have the Mavic inside it. It's a bit windy at the minute as well, and it's a bit on and off with the rain, so hopefully I'll get time to fly it today. But as soon as I've unboxed it and obviously made sure it's all there and it's working and stuff, I'm just going to charge it up and then leave it, and then hopefully there's a break in the weather when I can actually fly it, because I'm pretty sure it's not windy enough where I couldn't fly it. But because obviously I've never flown a drone before, I don't really want to be taking it up for the first time in like quite strong wind, and especially because it keeps raining on and off, and it's not like don't come over clouded and start raining, like it just rains. So I don't want to risk it too much. But anyway, let's just open it and see if it's all in there and make sure it's all working and stuff. He's packaged it really well. Yeah, it's packaged it really well, to be fair. Playing about with that later. Who else loves popping bubble wrap?
I used to steal it from the supermarkets.
Did you?
Yeah, when I used to go around shopping, you used to sit there popping it. Probably used to annoy all the other customers, but...
Definitely. Well, you still don't do that now, anyway, don't you?
Yeah, there's no difference.
Yeah, so there's the box. A bit more beat up than I thought, but it's only the box, isn't it? So yeah, so this is the Fly More combo. So I've been doing a bit of research as well about like, do I need to register it or not, and from what I understand, I don't need to register it until the new laws come into place, which has been delayed because of COVID-19. So I think it was supposed to be the 1st of July, but now it's been pushed back to the 1st of November, I believe. But I'm still gonna get it registered and stuff. I just probably won't do it as quickly, so it'll probably be in the next week or so I'll do it rather than like today or tomorrow or something. But I'll let you know all about that as well, because obviously that'd be quite interesting, especially because most of the videos I've seen on YouTube was mainly like American people reviewing it and stuff and speaking about it. So obviously I don't know if the law like applies the exact same over here as it does over there. Now there's the cages for the propellers. But I know if you put anything else on the actual drone, obviously it goes more than 250 grams, so I won't be flying with anything like this on it. And to be fair, where I'm anyway is private land, so I'm pretty sure I'm fine on private land anyway. At least in a nice small little package. That should fit nicely in the top of my camera bag, because the plan is to obviously carry this around wherever we go, so I can just whip it out and fly it and stuff. So yeah, that's pretty cool. I've got flying with control and flying with control. Okay, get to know the rules and stuff. No one ever reads that stuff, do they? So the first little box has got in it, what is this stuff? Some spare propellers and a little screwdriver to take them off and stuff. Oh, and there's some spare foam sticks. They look like spare foam sticks. That's just some spare bits. I don't know if it's used, maybe. I don't know how many you're supposed to get if you buy it new, but I've got three sets of propellers. So I think obviously there's 4, because it's quadcopter in it, so maybe he's used one of them, not too sure, but at least I've got 3 other spares. And this one is it's just literally some stickers and booklets. Yeah, not much about that. And then the bigger one, I imagine it's maybe the charger, is it? No, maybe it's all in. Maybe he took all the stuff out and actually put it in here, because that's just an empty box, there's nothing in that at all. So I'm gonna just go down there. Now let's actually get to the good part and check out the drone. You'll be seeing it before me. Ta-da!
It's not in there, babe.
Yeah, of course it's not. Of course it's not. There's the cable. Obviously that's supposed to be in that box. There's the charging cable, which is cool. This is actually like one of the main things I think about buying the combo. Is mainly obviously you get 2 extra batteries, because usually you only get 1. But this little charging, I don't know what you call it, but the case anyway that you put them in seems pretty cool, because you can use it to like charge your phone and stuff if you need to as well. So if you have 3 charge batteries in it, or 2 of them, because obviously one will be in the drone, and your phone dies or you can remote dies or anything like that, you can just plug it into the actual side here, and it will start charging, which is wicked. So yeah, it doesn't say. I gather that means they're all fully charged, which would be wicked if they are. It means I ain't even got to charge anything. I can just fly as soon as I can, when the weather allows it. And then, yeah, so these are the different connectors to connect your remote to your phone. Oh, that is annoying. Oh, damn, I had it the other way around, and I was looking and I was like, oh, that's annoying, isn't it? None of them are the Type C. But it is, it's this one. It was just the opposite way around. Cool. And you got the little remote. To be honest, I imagine you're probably not seeing this for the first time, and if you want to see a more in like detailed review about it and someone who actually knows what they're doing, I'm sure there's a lot more people that are more qualified to give an opinion on it than me on YouTube. But this is just my first little quick impressions and unboxing of it. And the main piece, what is like bloody hell? I know 249 grams, but that is light. That's how big it is. Tiny little thing. So if you get it in comparison to, say, Tabitha's brush that she's just bought, it's literally tiny. Which I feels so flimsy. That's the thing I'd first say, it does feel very flimsy. I imagine it's not, I've seen a lot of reviews on it and it seems good and stuff, but I think 'cause it's so light, it just feels so flimsy. It's starting to rain already, isn't it? Yeah, it's starting to rain.
Yeah, I'm getting flattered by the rain out here.
We'll end it there. I'll give you a more detailed look in a little bit when the rain stops. So it stopped raining now and we've got the door open again. Basically, I've had a look through the box and checked to see how much charge was in all the batteries. One of the batteries for the drone was charged, so I've put that one in the drone. The other two still need charging, so they're charging now. And the remote was flat as well, so I've had to put that on charge, and obviously I can't do anything with a flat remote. So I'm just having to wait, unfortunately, until the actual remote's charged, and then we can have a little bit of a play about with it. And hopefully it don't take too long, because I'm really eager to actually get it up in the air and have a little test with it. It should be good fun.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action.
So we managed to actually fly the drone a little bit. It was only a little bit as well, because once I actually started flying it, I started getting a strong wind signal on like the app. So I decided to bring it down. I think we got a little bit of footage that we might put in the video. But yeah, at least we got to try it out. It works fine, it's all working, and it was actually really fun, to be fair. It's a lot harder than I thought it was going to be. I thought it might have been a bit easier, but yeah, we'll see. Obviously a bit more practice and stuff, so I probably had it up for maybe 5 minutes, maybe something like that. But yeah, that's about it. So
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you tomorrow.